If you're looking for means to send bulk SMS, maybe you want to promote your product, you want to promote your service, I'm going to show you this quick demo of this amazing bulk SMS sender software that you can use to send SMS to any country, USA, UK, Canada, Nigeria, any country you are targeting. So I'm going to send a demo to this phone number. So do this in 323. So let me just send this demo. So just enter your message. So this is like a demo that you can send. So message just delivered successfully. So can you see? So the message enter instantly. This is an amazing software. So we are looking for ways to send bulk SMS. This software is for you. So I'm going to walk you through some of this demo of this software. So if you want to do bulk SMS campaign, you can just come to a campaign builder. So just enter your name, just choose your sending server. So when you build this software for you, I'm going to give you this sending server you're going to use. Then select your contact group. Then enter your message. You can also attach. Maybe you want to include the user first name. You can include it. If you want to include the user last name. If you want to include their email or any tag you want to include, just enter it. So the software supports voice campaign, MMS, WhatsApp marketing, and chatbots as well. Maybe you want to send message and you want to receive message from your customers as well. With this software, you're going to achieve it. So all your messages sent to your customer and the reply is going to show here. So if you want to use the software as business, you want to start selling bulk SMS as well, the software works for it. Just go to your backend. Maybe you want to start bulk SMS business, so you can also like to set up the business SMS sender for you like this. So you have your customer, you can create plan. So you have the option to create a plans. So you can create different plans. So and also you can use different payment gateways. So you can use different payment gateway. So depending on how you want to use it. So if you want to use this business software as individual or as business, you can help you to set it up. So if you want to get this type of bulk SMS, you can just message us on our WhatsApp or Telegram by checking this video description. Thank you. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. See you again.